Welcome to another Mendeley video. In this video we are going to see how we can install the MS Word plugin in Microsoft Word in order to cite the references in article and also create the bibliography. So for that, just go to Tools and click on Install MS Word plugin, and it will show you citation plugin for MS Word, and click on OK. So now if you go and check, it will show that it is installed. So if you get message uninstall MS Word plugin, it means the plugin for Microsoft Word is installed. Now how to insert the citation and how to create the bibliography, we are going to discuss that. So for that you have to open the Word document, or you have to add the article. For example, I copy this text and I'll simply paste. I just open this and I will paste this information here, and let's see how we can add the citation and create the bibliography. So first, suppose I have to add the citation here. So you need to keep the cursor where you want to insert the citation and go to reference, and there you will get the Mendeley icon and also the Mendeley insert citation option. Just click on this and it will show you the search button, search box. Simply you click the field, keyword or author or anything, so it will show you the list which is available in your library, or you can directly go to the Mendeley desktop and from there you can choose whichever is convenient for you. You can do that. So I take this and click on OK. So it will add the citation from my library. You can see here the information. Mendeley is formatting, and now you can see here that citation has been added. The same way I am going to add another citation. I'll just click on this and I will directly go to Mendeley library and I'll choose this and I'll click on this button. You can notice that there is a button, send citation to plugin. So once I click that, it will take the citation from there, and now you can see here the citation has been added. Likewise, throughout the paper throughout the article you can add as many citation you want. And now it's time to create the bibliography. So simply you just select the cursor. You can write here references and click on insert bibliography. So whatever the citation have been used, it will, based on that, it will create the bibliography. Now the question is, suppose you want to use some other style of the citation, so you can choose accordingly. So for that you need to go to more style, and here see American Psychological Association 6th edition is enabled. So suppose you want to use the IEEE, so you have to check this, use this style, and click on done. So you can see the change. Now the bibliography has been changed as per the citation style IEEE. So likewise you can use the different citation style available in Mendeley, and also you can cite the with the help of your Mendeley library in the document. So this is the complete process how to use the Mendeley plugin to cite the references and also create the bibliography. Hope this video will be very useful for your purpose. Keep watching all the video for updating the detail about Mendeley. Thanks for watching this video.